Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12 and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my phone. Now once your content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with a pop-up right here showing your captured screenshot, and it does disappear after a moment. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. Just gonna need to go back. So typically you would be located in the Photos tab, which will display your screenshot. But if you want to find it later on down the line, you can navigate quickly into the Albums, Screenshots and Screen Recordings, and just make sure that your tab for screenshots is selected. There we go. And this will display strictly screenshots that you have captured over the time of using this device. And obviously, as you can see, here is the one that I have just captured. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.